Haze is one of the social problems regarding air pollution. Another problem is air pollution that comes from vehicle exhaust. It is said that it causes sickness, such as asthma and pulmonary cancer. These kinds of polluted air enter your room. Thankfully, the Daikin Air Purifier can vacuum and purify the air. Turn on the Daikin Air Purifier in a room full of fine dust, and it will powerfully draw it in. To catch harmful particles and decompose them with Daikin's patented streamer technology. Mold gets decomposed like this. Protects your family's health. Daikin Streamer Air Purifier